Oh yeah, those look way nastier.
They look nasty, man.
You look a bit like roaches, huh?
Just pretend you're eating a cockroach. Yeah, wow. They look marinated or something, right?
Recently, NHK did a story on a particularly interesting vending machine, and I was delighted to find out it was located just down the road from my house. Japan's known for its huge variety of vending machines, and they dispense just about anything that you could imagine, but this is an absolute first for most people. Today we're on a culinary mission to one of the strangest vending machines, to consume some bugs. Now the notion of eating bugs here isn't exactly unheard of, however they're definitely something that isn't commonly eaten, and the mere thought of it was enough to repulse everyone that I asked to join me. All except for one, my friend Duncan. Join us on this adventure.
Oh, it's the bamboo bugs. Ah, they look like mealworms. Alright, it's refrigerated.
Cool. Is it cold?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
And they're all like packaged properly. It's not just like straight in the jar.
Alright. What else should we get? Big crickets.
Yeah. So they different size crickets, are they? Is it like
Looks like we got European crickets, big crickets.
small, big, and yeah, okay.
Much the same. The profit margin on this must be
Pretty big. Yeah.
silkworms.
All right. Yeah, righto.
I mean, those look nasty as hell.
They look
right?
nasty, man.
Yeah. Like the Lion King. Alright.
I'm gonna eat like one. You're gonna eat all these, right? Like you will.
I'll fuck with it. Depends how bad they taste. What do you say? Should we get, what's Tagame? Tagame cider. Looks like it's made with bugs.
Let's do it.
Made with eels.
Maybe eels? I don't know.
Eel cola?
Eel cola, yeah. Fuck it.
Yeah, why not?
Eel cola.
Alright, we gotta try this.
Yeah. Crack it. Tell me what you think. What's your first impressions?
It's like cola.
Cola.
Maybe it's not really made with ignition.
Right.
It's just cola.
Yeah. Nice. Shit, that's super steep, man.
Hey, look at the white water there.
What do you reckon? That's like 50-meter drop?
Yeah.
It's really big.
Like on the other side, it's supposed to be like a fucking. It's like near vertical here.
know, getting off the beaten trail in Japan sometimes is pretty hard, especially near bigger cities. But when you do find somewhere good, there's nothing better. We found this really good spot, just pulled over on the side of the road, and we're gonna set up camp. We're gonna eat some bugs, cook a barbecue, maybe go for a swim, just enjoy life. So that's bamboo.
Yeah.
What's this?
Silkworm.
Silkworm. And crickets.
Yeah, big size.
Big size crickets.
Yeah.
They got two sizes.
2 sizes of Japanese crickets, 1 size of European.
Which one's the European?
Those are far left.
Yeah, okay. All right.
I don't know, I think we should just go whole hog, go for the silkworm first, the nastiest looking one.
The nastiest one first. Righto, let's do it.
Gotta eat them before December 6th.
Eat them before December 6th. So there's a use by date on there, is there?
Yep. Oh, those don't look too bad.
Yeah, wow. They look marinated or something, right?
I think they're roasted.
Roasted? All right. Tell me how it is. How's that?
It's good, a little mealy.
A little mealy.
Yeah.
What, like oatmeal or?
Like a little like raw grain or something.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Thanks. All right. Silkworm. They're pretty good.
Not bad.
They're like salted like nuts almost,
Yeah.
right?
See what I mean by mealy though, right?
So they look the worst. They look the most, you know,
Well, I don't know.
like on the picture they did. They look white and kind of,
Yeah.
no, pretty good. Bamboo it's caterpillar.
Yeah, but it says caterpillar.
Caterpillar. Okay.
Gangsta style. You know?
Gangster style.
Oh yeah, those look way nastier.
They look nasty, man. Hang on. Yeah, okay.
Bamboo caterpillar.
The caterpillars. This is real bush tucker.
Ooh,
They good?
much nicer, yeah. They
They're-
taste a little bit like prawn crackers.
Prawn crackers. All right, I'm looking forward to that then. All right, caterpillar. What are they marinated in? Anything? They do taste like prawn crackers. They got the same texture as well.
Yeah.
Like that bubbly, crunchy.
Yeah.
That's really good.
Yeah.
They're my favorite so far. They're good.
I wasn't gonna buy that either. Good thing you got it on the chance.
Oh, that was the chance one, was it?
Random.
Good stuff.
Oh.
Whoa, far out. They look pretty impressive.
Yeah,
Wow.
that's like almost all of them.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, those are gnarly. You look a bit like roaches, huh?
Just pretend you're eating a cockroach. How is it?
That was closer to the first one.
They do look like little cockroaches. Itadakimasu.
Not bad. That's my second favorite. Here, try a couple. Like honestly, like it was better. The
No.
second one was better than the first one.
Ooh. Fuck. Fuck. It's a leg. It just freaks me out, man.
Yeah.
Eating a leg.
Still-
Hang on. Fuck. Hang on, I can't.
No?
No.
Honestly, they're better after the first one.
I prefer the second one. That's my favorite, and then the first one and that one last. I don't know. It's just the texture that freaks me out, man.
It's pretty
But
good.
overall, they're pretty good, man.
Yeah, yeah, a couple wings, you know.
Yeah, you gotta have a
That
few
was,
wings. And wash it down with some fucking eel cola.
Oh yeah. I think I have to go to the pub tonight
What's that?
with these.
Yeah. You gotta show them off. Hell yeah.